It is literally 100 degrees outside today, and I came to check on all my seeds and plants in the shade. They're doing okay, but they need some water. These guys are still doing good. I want to plant them out, but I'm scared it's too hot. What you got there?
A big hornworm. We found it right here on the tomatoes.
What do they do?
They devour tomatoes, like you can see a little of all the stuff he's done.
Where has he ate them?
He's ate about here, here, and a little over here.
What you got on your fingers?
He threw up on me, I think.
Which side is his face?
The one without the horn.
So that side is his face.
Mhm.
Does that hurt?
Not a lot.
Ew!
Yeah, that's the elephants that throw up. And it stinks.
He's just hanging on by his butt.
Those are actually feet.
He's only have one horn back there?
Yeah. They glow under UV light because when they mate, they will actually light up a little.
Really? I didn't know that. Throw them to the chickens.
Okay. First, I need to get him off my finger. Just stay right there.
Ready?
Yeah. Yum.
Oh, she's running.
Yeah, they fight for food a lot. He's just flinging it around. It's too big for him to eat it whole.
Now I'm gonna plant some comfrey. We're gonna plant up some lantana. I'm not a fan of these zinnias, so I'm gonna take these out. White lantana. To come get my handy dandy bucket. Compost. Bucket of pine chips. I planted some white polar bear zinnias throughout. And some white Nite sunflowers. Zinnias and more sunflowers. And some deadheading. Now I'm going to plant some more nepeta right here. Somewhere in this area. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked, please subscribe. Next week, we'll be making a kid-friendly garden video.